Late night loving says where emotion peaks without chaos. Over all theorizing, expansive, transportive, we allude to sleep. I don't have the motion, I don't need control. I let the current take me where the deeper current flows. In the frequency, I let go. In the frequency, I remember what I am between the waves. As it bends the night, in the frequency, I dissolve. In the frequency, I let go. In the frequency, I remember what I am between the waves. Becomes the ground beneath my feet. This is where the stillness meets the beat. Fire in the soul, bass rolls, choir lips. Everything breathes together between the waves.